With regards to the last song I reacted to, which was Fleetwood Mac, The Chain, a couple of you had suggested that I check out the whole album, and I did, and I'm here to announce that Songbird from the whole album is my favorite. And I found out that the lead singer of Songbird is late. I feel like it would just be nice for me to come on here and have a reaction to a song on the channel, because I really like that song. God rest her soul, amen. And yeah, family, please do engage. And I'm posting it a bit late than usual, but here, please do engage regardless. Thank you so much. Let's go.
For you, there'll be no more crying. For you, the sun will be shining, and I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. To you, I'll give the world. To you, I'll never be cold. 'Cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds are singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. And I wish you all the love in the world, but most of all, I wish it from myself. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Like never before. Like never before.
No. It's almost like for every song at this point, they are not just they're just like too short. Like this was about 4 minutes, but like this one like was 2 minutes thereabouts. It's a beautiful masterpiece. It just captures the selflessness of love, whether to yourself or to someone. The beginning of the lyrics of the song, I just was relating it with me and the moment I shared with my grandma. The Marine Keji you all know today. My grandma gave me that name. It's the name she calls me even way before I started my YouTube channel, because like here in person I go by the name Tosin. Even though my grandma isn't here anymore, I would always love her. Cherish the moment. When I was about to listen to this, I didn't think that this was going to be when I was going to like translate the lyrics too. But for me, I'm dedicating this to my grandma, my girl. That was my grandma's favorite grandchild. All right.